make real car sounds, and I'll show you how to make it. First up, out of your rate. And you have to get this! This thing. The DeWalt 20-volt max lithium ion. Screwdriver. Okay, so you just gotta rev it up. I'm gonna show you a picture of the car for it. Now my custom car, based off of the Saleen S7. Okay, let's actually make it the turbo version. Wow, that was actually pretty cool. Saleen S7, I meant Saleen S1. Sorry, Steve Saleen. Sorry for copying your car design, but I actually went for a different design. But it's based off of the Saleen S1, okay? Still inspired by the Saleen S1, but, well, the headlights are from the Supra, which is inspired by it, actually. Don't forget the GTR model. And there's also a hybrid. Apparently my car leaks blue fluid. It's leaking blue fluid. It had nothing in there. Oh, jeez. Can you see me? What does it taste like? Oh my gosh, it seriously tastes like a Skechers. Okay. That's Skechers. That's like sour Skechers. It tastes like Gatorade. Oh my gosh, I'm drinking antifreeze.
There's a moment in your bones when the fire takes over. Blood is running, heart is pumping as the battle gets closer. They can say what they want now, 'cause we'll be screaming now. We can be heroes everywhere we go. We can have all that we ever want. Swinging like Ali, rocking our bodies, standing on top like a champion. Keep your silver, give me that gold. You'll remember when I say we can be heroes everywhere we go. Keeping us down is impossible, 'cause we're unstoppable. Oh, we're unstoppable. Oh, we're unstoppable. Every spotlight, every soundbite, everybody who gave up is just a fuel for wanting him more than anybody against us. They can say what they want now, 'cause we'll be screaming now. We can be heroes everywhere we go. We can have pull